Now that we have the three modules all connected together, we have the interconnect cables running from the first module to the second hooked up in the way that we showed you. From the second to the third, we have only hooked up the black wire. And the reason for that is we have two different power supplies. And we want to have separate voltages for the first two and the gold. The gold is going to be on a completely different voltage than the first two, but this way they're able to share the same common lead, so you don't have to switch the wires if you're going to be clipping your rack. Now we're going to be showing you how we hook up the modules to the actual power source. The thumb screws are removed, and the wires running from the back of the power supply are put onto their respective colors. And once those are hooked up, they are now connected to this power source here that you can set to the appropriate voltage, which for electric cleaner and activator is typically 5 volts. The power runs from the power source, comes to this tower, and is then shared with the second tower. And the black common lead is shared with the third. We're now going to hook up this power supply for the gold. And so the interconnect cables are going to be removed before hooking up the cables that run from the power source. These are going to be hooked up the same way as the first module was, with the red to red, black to black. And this power supply would then be set to gold voltage, which is usually about 2.7 or 2.8. The nice thing with setting it up this way is it allows you to never have to mess with the voltage at all. You simply move your rack through the parts your rack of parts through the steps. Your first solution for the time it's needed, the second solution for the time it's needed, and the third, and you can just continue putting racks through without having to worry about constantly adjusting your voltage. So now the 3-station ProLab is set up and ready to have the chemicals added to it, and the rinse beakers will be put in place and it will be ready to plate with.